Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into an exciting countdown of the best-selling electronics products on Amazon. These are the gadgets and devices that are flying off the shelves and making waves in the tech world. From cutting-edge innovations to must-have accessories, we've got it all covered. Without further ado, let's get started. 14995761499, 5,761 run capacitor. Essential powerhouse for RV air conditioning. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting number 5 on our list of best-selling electronics on Amazon, the 14995761499, 5,761 run capacitor. This isn't just any capacitor, it's a powerhouse, a vital component that ensures your RV air conditioner runs smoothly and efficiently. With a capacity of 60 UF and a voltage rating of 370 VAC, this capacitor operates seamlessly at both 50 and 60 Hz. It's a versatile gem designed to keep your cooling system in peak performance mode. Compatibility is key, and the 1499576 doesn't disappoint. It's compatible with a range of models, including the 8535B6, 8335, 48203C966, 48054, 48004, 48203, 48253, 48014, 48208, 48004, and 48068. This wide compatibility ensures that no matter your RV's air conditioning system, this run capacitor has got you covered. What makes this capacitor stand out? It's the reliability, the assurance that your air conditioner will function without a hitch during those sweltering summer trips. Imagine driving through the desert and the AC keeps you cool and comfortable, all thanks to the dependable 1499576 run capacitor. But wait, there's more. This capacitor is designed for a high level of performance, boasting a 10000 AFC, ensuring durability and longevity. It's built to withstand the rigors of constant use, giving you peace of mind that your investment is secure. In summary, the 1499576 5,761 run capacitor isn't just a component, it's the heartbeat of your RV air conditioning system. Whether you're prepping for a cross-country adventure or a weekend getaway, ensure your comfort with the unparalleled performance of this run capacitor. There you have it, folks. An essential, robust, and reliable piece of tech that's a must-have for any RV enthusiast. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown of the best-selling electronics on Amazon. Mophorn 50 feet 50 amp RV extension cord, unleashing power and flexibility. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to unveil number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling electronics on Amazon. Introducing the Mophorn 50 feet 50 amp RV extension cord. This isn't just an extension cord, it's a lifeline, designed to deliver power with unmatched reliability and convenience. First, let's talk length. This cord stretches an impressive 50 feet, ensuring you have all the reach you need to connect to those distant power sources. Whether you're at a campsite, charging your electric vehicle, or powering up your RV, this cord has you covered. Constructed with pure copper wiring, it guarantees high conductivity, allowing for efficient power transfer. Coated in a heavy-duty flame-retardant, heat-resistant PVC sheath, it's built to withstand the toughest conditions, ensuring durability and safety. But the genius doesn't stop there. The Mophorn extension cord features a bendable design, making it easy to convert from a standard 50-amp male to a 50-amp female connector. This flexibility is a game-changer, especially when dealing with various power setups. Ergonomics are crucial, and this cord nails it. With a professional handle, plugging and unplugging becomes a breeze, eliminating the usual frustration. And after use, an adjustable cord organizer and carrying strap handle make storage and transportation effortless. No more tangled cords or storage nightmares. Weatherproofing is paramount for outdoor use, and the Mophorn delivers. The PVC sheath and threaded locking ring create a weatherproof connection, offering added protection against the elements. Rain or shine, your power supply remains secure. The applications are endless. Perfect for campsites, electric car charging stations, RVs, trailers, and more, this extension cord is a versatile powerhouse that meets all your outdoor electrical needs. In conclusion, the Mophorn 50 feet 50 amp RV extension cord is not just an accessory, it's an essential tool for anyone needing reliable, flexible, and durable power solutions. It stands as a testament to quality and ingenuity, ensuring you're always connected, no matter where your adventures take you. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, revealing more top-rated electronics that you simply can't miss. RV Extension Cord Cover. Ultimate protection for your outdoor electrical needs. Introducing number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling electronics on Amazon, the RV Extension Cord Cover. This innovative product isn't just an accessory. It's a game-changer for anyone needing reliable protection for their extension cords in outdoor settings. Let's dive into the details. Elevates and shields. This resilient cover lifts the ends of your extension cords above the ground, safeguarding them from dirt, moisture, and other environmental hazards. Imagine camping in a wet area or working in a dusty construction site. With this cover, your cords remain protected, ensuring uninterrupted power flow. Versatility is key. The RV Plug Saver accommodates both 30 and some 50 amp cords, up to 0.8 inches in width. Whether you're an RV enthusiast, a contractor, or setting up outdoor decor, this cover caters to a wide range of needs. The open bottom design allows air circulation, preventing overheating and maintaining optimal performance of your cords. Ease of use? Absolutely. Setting it up is a breeze. Simply lift the cords into place. The nested design makes packing multiple covers simple and efficient. The weight of the cords keeps the cover in position, and for added security, there are tabs to anchor it however you see fit. No fuss, no hassle. Crafted with pride in Michigan, USA, this cover boasts quality and durability. Made from UV-stable polypropylene, it withstands the harshest weather conditions, ensuring your cords are safe and secure. You can trust this product to deliver performance and reliability, season after season. Compatibility is another highlight. Designed to work seamlessly with power grip handles, it offers a complete solution for managing outdoor extension cords. Although handles are not included, this cover integrates smoothly with them, making it a perfect addition to your outdoor toolkit. In summary, the RV Extension Cord Cover is not just about protection, it's about peace of mind. Elevate your outdoor electrical setup with this essential tool, ensuring your cords remain functional and safe, no matter the conditions. Stay tuned as we continue our countdown, showcasing more top-rated electronics you won't want to miss. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling electronics on Amazon? Well, don't be a short circuit. Make sure to power up our channel by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss a spark. Double SPST On-Off Switch with Bezel. Essential control for your RV. And now, presenting number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling electronics on Amazon, the double SPST On-Off Switch with Bezel. This switch isn't just a component, it's a crucial piece of technology that brings unparalleled control to your RV, trailer, or camper setup. Let's dive into its features. This double SPST On-Off Switch operates at 16 amp at 125, 250 VSE, capable of handling up to 3/4 HP at 125, 250 VSE. Additionally, it supports 10 amp at 14 V, T, and 3 amp at 125 V, L. It's not just about the numbers. This switch is UL/CSA/VDE approved, ensuring it meets the highest standards of safety and performance. Versatility is the name of the game. Commonly used for controlling lights, pumps, fans, vents, and more, this switch is the go-to solution for RVs, buses, horse trailer conversions, haulers, travel trailers, boats, and beyond. Its broad application range makes it indispensable for any vehicle or setup requiring reliable electrical control. Size matters, and this switch comes with a bezel measuring 3 inches wide, 2 7/8 inches long, and 3/8 inches high. The single cutout dimension is 1.5 inches long by 1 3/4 inches wide, making installation straightforward and hassle-free. It includes one switch plate and cover, crafted for convenience and ease of use. Durability and reliability are paramount. Proudly made in the USA, this switch embodies quality craftsmanship and robust construction. It's designed to withstand the rigors of daily use in demanding environments, providing consistent performance and long-lasting durability. In conclusion, the double SPST On-Off Switch with Bezel is more than just an electrical component. It's a powerhouse of control, ensuring your RV or trailer operates smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're on the road, at a campsite, or out on the water, this switch offers the reliability and versatility you need to manage your electrical systems with ease. Stay tuned as we unveil the #1 best-selling electronic product on Amazon. You won't want to miss it. Camco Power Grip 25-30 Amp RV Extension Cord. Ultimate power solution for your adventures, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for. The #1 best-selling electronic product on Amazon, the Camco Power Grip 25-30 Amp RV Extension Cord. This isn't just an extension cord, it's the ultimate power solution for your RV adventures. First and foremost, power your RV effortlessly. With this 30-amp extension cord, you have a 25-foot reach, ensuring your RV stays powered no matter where your adventures take you. Long enough to connect to those distant power sources, this cord is an essential companion for any camper. Premium design and engineering set this extension cord apart. Coated with a heavy-duty flame retardant and heat-resilient PVC jacket, it offers robust protection against wear, tear, and the harsh outdoor elements. This ensures high performance and durability, making it a reliable choice for years to come. 100% copper wire construction guarantees reliable power delivery. Featuring standard 30-amp male, NEMA TT30P, and 30-amp female, NEMA TT30R connectors, it's rated for 125 volts and 3,750 watts. With 10-gauge wires, you get superior conductivity and efficiency, powering up your RV without a hitch. But that's not all. The secure grip handle is a game-changer. Designed to assist users in safely and conveniently plugging and unplugging cords, it eliminates strain and prevents damage. This ergonomic feature ensures ease of use, making power management a breeze. Experience reduced pressure and stress on the cord with 90-degree heads. These convenient heads prevent wear and tear at connection points, extending the lifespan of your extension cord and ensuring a secure connection every time. Transport and storage have never been simpler. The adjustable cord organizer with a carrying strap handle makes it easy to carry and neatly store your extension cord. No more tangled messes, just smooth, hassle-free power management. This product isn't just practical, it's patented and certified. With a design that's ETL listed to CSA and UL standards, you can trust its quality and safety. It's a certified RV camping must-have, built to meet the highest standards of performance and reliability. In conclusion, the Camco Power Grip 25-foot 30-amp RV extension cord is not just the best-selling electronic product on Amazon. It's a powerhouse of innovation, convenience, and reliability. Elevate your RV experience with this indispensable tool, ensuring your adventures are powered with ease and efficiency. Thank you for joining us on this exciting countdown of the top 5 best-selling electronics on Amazon. Until next time, keep exploring, keep adventuring, and stay powered up. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling electronics on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, be sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we covered today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.